Relationship check. Our first photo from his favorite photo.
Hey guys, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Guys, today we will know about this viral reel. So if you want to make this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, you need VN application to edit this trend. So first you install the VN application from your Play Store. When you open this app, you will get interface like this. Guys, you need 8 photos to make this trend. To import the photos from your phone library, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the 8 photos according to you. Okay. Okay guys, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. You can see guys, you have to take like this. Now first you delete the VN default clip from here. Okay, and select the ratio of 9.16. Okay, now guys, we will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. So first you download the reel video. After that we will extract the music from that reel. So guys, when you will download that reel video, after that you will click on here, click the plus icon and click the music option to extract the music. Okay, and click the plus icon and here you will get extract from video option. So have to click on this option and select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. So I have to select that reel and guys, you have to click on the OK option. Now guys, click on the choose option on here and have to run from here. In this way music will be added. Now guys, we will trim the photos according to music. So first I trimmed the photos. After that I will tell you the photos durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay. Okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. Now note the photos durations. So first photo duration is 2.7 second and the second photo duration is 1.5 second and third photo duration is 2.17 second and fourth is 2.42 second, fifth is 2.17 second, sixth is 1.28 seconds, seventh is 1.36 second and last is 1.70 second. Okay, so you have to keep the durations like this. Video will be perfect. Okay, in this way your video is completed. You can also add the text on your every photo if you want. Okay, so if you want to add the text, you have to click the plus icon. I'm telling one example to you. Okay, click on the text option and input the title here. Okay, and have to done from here. Okay, and keep the first text till the first photo. So decrease your first timeline and then add the second text from second photo. Okay, so you can add the text on your all photos like this. Okay, now your video is completed. You can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from top right corner. Okay, and have to done from here. then guys you have to click on the save to album option and your video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.